The large and luxurious full-size executive luxury SUV U8L for executives was launched. On April 23, the 21st Shanghai International Automotive Show opened. The multimillion-dollar high-end new energy vehicle brand Yangwang introduced its new products, Yangwang U8L and Yangwang U9 carbon fiber personalized kit, at this auto show. Yangwang's full-size luxury SUV Yangwang U8L adopts a 6-seat layout with a larger space and luxury executive configuration to meet the true 3-row needs of users. It complements the U8 model in business reception and multi-person travel for high-end users, enriching Yangwang's high-end product line and vehicle usage scenarios. Yangwang U8L is a new model launched by Yangwang based on the U8 series, and is equipped with 2 core technologies, Sifang and Yunnian-P. The wheelbase of the U8L vehicle has been increased to 3,250 mm and its length has been increased to 5,400 mm. Large-sized, spacious, large volume and its aura is fully revealed. The new vehicle offers a spacious and luxurious experience to passengers in each row with its 2+2+2 6-person seating arrangement, while the second and third rows can be easily boarded and disembarked. In this way, it meets the needs of high-level users for business receptions or carrying more passengers. In terms of design, the U8L continues the well-known tripod-inspired front-face design of the U8 series, while also offering new black and gold two-tone exteriors in obsidian black and sun gold. The U8L also uses smoke black to simplify body details such as the front bumper and D-pillar energy tower. The spare wheel and spare wheel cover are removed from the rear. The vehicle, which is closer to the concept of urban luxury travel, adopts a dual-opening electric tailgate design at the top and bottom, paired with minimalist rim eyebrows and new 23-inch 8-hole forged wheels. Yangwang also designed a golden oracle logo for the U8L using 24-karat real gold. The front, rear and steering wheel of the U8L can be equipped with golden logos, reflecting its high-end style. Derived from the oracle character meaning electricity, the Yangwang logo becomes more noble and eye-catching with the golden oracle logo and the black-gold two-tone body. The U8L continues the superior safety features of the U8 series, such as emergency water swimming, stable driving in the event of a flat tire, and instant U-turn. At the same time, the new car will continue to be equipped with the God's Eye driving assistance 3 laser version as standard, and will have various intelligent functions such as high-speed navigation, city navigation, automatic parking, easy 4-way parking, and getting off and parking. The Yangwang U8L is positioned as a full-size luxury SUV, and its price will be higher than the Yangwang U8. At the same time, when the U8L is launched, it will launch a sincere renovation and upgrade plan exclusively for U8 owners. Yangwang responds to the needs of high-end users, continues to understand product scenarios and improve product strengths. The launch of the new model U8L will further enhance Yangwang's competitiveness in the million-person market.